So the question is, how much have I spent on my Integra? Oh man, I don't even want to count, to be honest. Okay, backstory. This Integra was my dad's car way long time ago when it was essentially new, right? And then he drove it for like a million years and gave it to me in like 2016. And then since then, I literally just daily drove it. And then I started modding it, and then it was done from there. Now, how much have I spent on this car? Dude, you wouldn't believe it, but it's way over 50 grand. Why? Let's just look at the engine swap. Okay, a stock B18, like Type R, is like 8 to 9 grand these days with the LSD transmission. It's like insane. The golden era Hondas. Yeah, you can get like a cheaper K series, but then you have to buy the swap parts, and by the time you do the swap, you're probably already like 10 grand in. So yeah, I guess if you blow your K20, you already have all the swap parts, so it's cheaper because you can just get a, you know, $3,000 K series from JDM of California. But man, that engine is expensive. And then the coilover is like $6,000, $7,000 or whatever it is with the optional quick release. And then you got to buy the wheels, $2,300. The roll bar, I forgot what IMER charges for the roll bar. It's like $2,300 or something like that. $1,800 maybe, depending on the option. Wow, everyone's just like driving like a peanut today. And then what else? All the PCI control arms and ASR sway bar and all the honed suspension components and brake deletes and all that stuff. Let's just say that's another like 6 grand because there's a bunch. I'm just naming brands, but there's a bunch of parts that I bought from them. And then the spoon calipers, I don't know what those are, like $1,600, maybe less. And then Wrench Mob Motorsports rotors, I think those are $600 a piece. Wrap, that wrap was like $2,300 from Inoztech. The JDM front clip, that was like 5 grand with the nice headlights. Brit seats, I think they were like $1,600 a piece, right? And then Hyper EPS unit was like 2 grand. And then all the mods that went in the engine, because my engine's not stock, and that was like another few grand. And then the header itself from Myers Competition is like damn near $2,000. And all the exhaust stuff. And man, there's so much that I can't even remember all the parts that I put into that car at this current moment. Okay, I have a mental build sheet, but I just need to remember all of them. And the most expensive part with that car is the time. The amount of time I spent on that car is absolutely insane if you had to pay shop fee. Like, okay, shops charge like 300, the expensive ones at $300 an hour, but I think Honda shops will charge like $150 an hour. I got thousands and years of hours on this car, for crying out loud. I'm trying to do a little S-turn because I'm getting into my office. So yeah, a lot of money, man. These cars are expensive. So hopefully one of these days I get to do a full build breakdown with pricing sheet, but I'll wait till that day because I'm still doing a lot of car stuff, mods to this car. Oh, isn't this cool? Man, I'm in love with this camera setup. It's just right on my face. I don't have to point it anywhere. Kind of funny though, to be watching it like this. All right, I'm at work. See you guys.